Hello guys, so how are you? So today I come with a new application for which is related about the Deriv Broker that will send the trades from the MT5 to the Deriv binary option. This application is specially made for the binary option tradings. Okay, so you can see there is a two kind of files. First is a exe file, another was a MT5 file. That you have to this is a exe file. You have to there is a configuration file. You have to configure the data before the starting the apps. So there is a two kind of things you have to obtain it from the websites. Okay, so I'm showing you how we can obtain this from the sites. So first you have to go this link. Okay, just go this link. I pasted the link here. You can also search on the Google. Okay, just go in this and just paste here. Okay, so you have to log in it this first before they made the new application with this. So just paste this. Okay, log in it. Okay, so you can see here there is a few kind of things. Okay, I'm deleting the this old application. They already I made for the testing this app. Okay, so first you have to click on this. Okay, these 5 things you have to click on it and just put the my app, like I am putting the my app 3. Okay, and create it. Okay, so token is created. Just copy these things and paste here. Okay, sorry, there is a this is a token app, and we have to obtain the Deriv API. For that we have to register the for that account type. Yeah, you can choose any account type you have to use. So I'm using the demo, so I'm select the demo. Then you have to select the proper app that we already made in this video. Okay, so I made the my app 33. Okay, so you have to give the related app's name, like I am giving the my personal app 33, and after that you have to click this on. Okay, and register. So got it, and there is a my manage applications. You can copy this applications ID. Okay, and now this is okay. Just close it. And just copy this API ID and is here, and second one is of this, copy and paste here and save it. Don't forget to save it. Okay, so after that we have the open the application this. Okay, so before we are going to start this, we have to install the EA on this. Okay, just open folder, and in the export in the here you can just copy this and you can paste here. Okay, here just paste, right click and paste. Okay, so it will replace all the file that you have. So after that you can see the price will sorry, Deriv handler will become here. Okay, so just open the chart and put Deriv on it. Like I want to use the rise spot and volatility 10. Okay, so you can select the two kind of orders. I already two kind of it, the higher lower, and the another is a rise fall. So you can use whatever you want. Okay, so data you will send see here the order is already open or not. Okay, so after that we have to open the applications. You go to open these two applications. Okay, first one is for the MT5 and another is this Python app. Okay, so if anyone is closed, then it will not send the order. Okay, so app is connected, so we can send this trade. So before the start it, we are open the Deriv Broker. Just open it, get ready. Whether is it here the my app. Here is a here is a report. Okay, so first we have to doing this. Okay, app is connected, and suppose I am giving the expiry like 5 minutes and the stake will be $15 and click on fall. Okay, so you can see the fall is come here. Okay, you can see, and check the all payout limits like stakes value and the remaining time. You can see like that. Suppose I put the one and rise. Okay, so you can see this, the rise is come. Okay, and there is a rise, there is a fall. I'm clicking on the one. Suppose I'm higher and lower. Okay, you can see higher and lower here. Suppose I'm putting the 5 minutes and the $5 lower. Okay, so you can see here the lower is come. So same as higher is come here. I just click on it. The higher lower. You can see exit the expiry and the exactly amount that we using. So now we have to change the pair. We can change the pair like volatility 50.75 and this one that you already demanded. Okay, rise and fall, and just click on it. You can see the trade fall is already in the 1 minute because I put the 1 minute stake and $1 is payout limit. Okay, and for the rise, you can see the rise is calm, and after that we have to put like the 10 minute expiry, $10, I mean $99 limits. Okay, so buy, sorry, fall. I click on fall, so it's come fall, and I'm clicking rise, so it's come with the rise. Okay, so like that you can open the any order. You can see the order is placed here. This is the data. If you don't want this, I will hide it, no worry about that. So I put it because you can see it very easily from the here, the data. It will also show in these applications. Okay, the data is sent on here. Whatever you open the orders. Okay, so if I put like 5 minutes, 5 minutes will be $15, and fall, it will fall the that. Okay, so this is okay. We can finish this now, and you can test your app, and after that you can tell me. Okay, thank you so much.